Well, hello everyone and welcome back. I know it's been a long time since I've done a video on this channel. I'm sorry about that. Things have been hectic for me the last few months, and one thing that hasn't been helping is the weather where I live in Florida hasn't been all that great. In fact, it was raining this morning, and most times when I get a day off, it's either raining or it's blistering hot or it takes turns being both. Yeah. Fun times, fun times. Love living in the state of Florida. Oh, I love it so much, especially when Florida Man comes along. Yeah. Anyways, so today's kind of a big day for me. I'm going to use a TIG welder for the very first time, and you're going to watch it. Now, earlier today, I was watching Alex Steele. He's one of my favorite blacksmiths, and he's cute. But anyways, I was watching Alex Steele, and he was using a TIG welder for the first time, and I'm like, oh my goodness. I was going to learn how to use a TIG welder today. In fact, I would have been, when I was watching Alec, I would have been learning to use a TIG welder if it wasn't raining. So there's that. So, yeah, I'm going to learn how to use a TIG welder today. I've got my AlphaTIG AHP AlphaTIG 200 over here. I've got a strip of 1/4-inch mild steel that I'm going to be running some stringer beads on. Yeah, that's how I just start out, no filler metal, just kind of run a few beads, make sure I know what I'm doing, make sure I'm comfortable with using, where did I put that pedal? There it is. I put it where I can actually use it. Got the pedal down here. It's off camera. Don't worry, it's trust me, it's there. Got it grounded, got the ground clamp on here, got my TIG torch over here, got my gloves. Right now I just got a pair of MIG welding gloves, but they should do fine for what I'm about to do. So, got the TIG set up, got the gas. I think I'm ready to rock and roll here. At least I hope I am. I've never done this before, so this is like totally new to me, and I gotta tell you, I'm a little nervous. I am. Never done this before. This is new. I mean, I've used MIG, I've used stick, and it's been what it's been. I'm much better with MIG than I am with stick. But I think I can do this. I don't see where it should be that difficult. And if I could just run a few stringer beads and, just keep at that, I think everything will be all right. Get these gloves on. All right. Said, got my TIG torch. I had to grind the tungsten, which I did. But that's all I did when I was grinding. If you want me to, I'll do a video about that. That's all I did was I took you see this on camera here, took my angle grinder, put a fresh flap disc on there, took my tungsten, chopped it up in a drill, and just ground the spinning tungsten against the flap disc until it was pointy. So that seems to be what everybody else does that doesn't have like one of those nice tungsten grinders, and hopefully it works for me. So we're going to find out in just a second. Wish me luck. So far, this is kind of cool. I'm not used to holding this TIG torch though, so I'm not sure which way is like the proper way. I'm going to try kind of holding it like it's a pencil, and I feel like I need something to prop on when I'm using this. Can I do it this way? I don't think I'm supposed to do it like that. Alright, let's try this again. Whoa. Alright, I have like no control over this. I mean, I'm not doing too terribly bad, I don't think. A little bit of porosity going on here, which just might be a gas flow issue. Yeek. Didn't mean to do that. Is there anything I can prop against here? What if I do that? What if I kind of run my finger along here? Get some heat, get some puddle going on here. It's not too bad. Still porous, like right in there. I don't know what that's all about. Keep accidentally bumping the pedal. Like, I'm wondering... Well, that's not too bad. Hell, that almost passes for a stack of dimes. Yeah, that's not too bad at all. I've got the GoPro on top of my helmet so y'all can see what I'm doing here. Hopefully it was working right. Let me try a little something here. Get that tungsten a little bit deeper in there. I'm going to try to walk the cup with that. Wow, this is harder than I thought it would be. Yeah, that's all I did was sat there and overheated the metal. Yeah, I don't think it's supposed to be like that. I think I'm doing it wrong. I think this was doing it right, but I think when I started like trying to do other things, I think I did it wrong. So, like, I'm just trying to get things just in that right spot, you know, so I know what I'm doing here, and so I can just, you know, a little bit more stick out there. Ouch. Ouch, 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 ouch. This stuff is so hot. Ouch. Burning myself over here. Maybe I should have gone for that gender studies degree. Okay, I think one of the things I'm doing wrong here is when I go to lift this off. I think I'm not really doing it right, but goodness, my fingers are burning. Because I don't think that's supposed to be there. This doesn't look too bad, but that... And that was a little bit better, I think. And that was a whole lot better. Well, and there, it's just like I got this spiky sticking up. Just need to get a little bit better control of moving it, but I think I'm doing alright. As long as I get something I can rest against. Which I know a lot of TIG welders do that. They'll have something to prop against. Now I just gotta get used to I think I'm starting to get the hang of it. I think I'm really starting to get the hang of this. That wasn't too bad. Except for the heat coming off of this. Well, everyone, I mean, granted, hopefully you saw that well through the GoPro, but, hopefully that's not too hot to put down there, is it? I think it'll be alright. My hands are warm here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me get these gloves off. I think I definitely need a lot more practice. I do. And I think the camera, like it always does, it makes me nervous. I get real nervous in front of cameras. There's reasons for that. Being a former stage performer, it's kind of weird that I get nervous in front of cameras, but I understand the difference. Maybe I'll explain it in a video one day, but that video has nothing to do with what this channel is supposed to be about. But I'm not getting perfect stacks of dimes here, but I think a little more practice, a little more working with it, I think we'll be there. I think we'll be all right. But it's a start. It feels good. It feels interesting. It's not what I'm used to. Like, in a way, I thought this was going to be like using a gas torch, but electric. But it's not even really like that, because a gas torch, like, you don't control the flow with it. It's kind of there. I mean, you can control the flow, but you don't really do that while you're welding. Unless I can do that with the pedal. It's weird, because like I can have it all the way down. Like if it looks like it's too much amperage, I can let it up a little. So there's that. It's neat. It's interesting. I think I can get good with this if I have enough practice time. But yeah, it's not too bad. I don't mind it. I think I can get good at it. I do. I don't know. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I know this is one ugly piece of metal I'm looking at right now, but I think a few more runs, a few more goes with the the torch, and then once I'm comfortable with it, then I start working on adding filler metal, and I think I can get good at this. I do. I like this. This isn't too bad. It's harder than I thought it was going to be, but it doesn't feel so difficult that I feel like I can't do it. This is to me, this feels easier than stick welding. It does. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here with me while I'm learning here and probably making an idiot of myself. If you think I did something wrong, if you want to give me some advice that might help me, I know I need to really get a proper set of TIG gloves, because these, they're nice, they're not bad, they're MIG gloves, and I also use them for stick welding, but I've gotten them too hot a few times, and like you can feel the inside is kind of like stiff and crunchy. So, like, I'm thinking I probably need to get a couple of new pairs of gloves, new pair of gloves for stick and MIG welding, and definitely a pair of gloves for TIG. And especially if I'm going to be feeding wire through here, I'm definitely going to need a new pair of gloves. So that's going to come sooner or later. It's all about, getting enough money to cover that. And I've got a lot of expenses right now that are making that a little difficult. But I can make it. I can get there. It'll be all good. Thank you so much for watching, though. I really appreciate it here. And yeah, have a beautiful day.